notice you have a green light and you have your blue flashing. If
Okay.
you have your blue flashing, that means it still requires setup.
Okay.
Okay, so what we do is we open up our Wi-Fi, turn on our Wi-Fi, and it's going to ask us to join the networks.
Okay.
So we're going to look for the XVWP30 from Luxel to pop up.
So it creates its own little network, huh?
Yep. There it is right there. So Luxel XVWP30.
Okay.
So we're going to hit that information button, and you see it gives you an IP address of 192.168.0.44. That's pre-configured. I had plugged this into another Luxel XVWP30 a while back. What you guys are going to do is it's going to be DHCP. It's probably going to be all zeros, or it'll be blank. You're going to go in, and you're just going to put in 192.168.0 and then dot any number between 1 and 254 with the exception of 11, because that device is 192.168.0.11. It's just like a phone number. If they're the same, then they can't speak because you get a busy signal, right? Same type of deal. So we'll just put 44 back in there.
So you're just making up a new IP?
Yeah, we're just trying to find a seat on that,
Okay.
in that neighborhood.
Okay.
So we're going to go back to it. We're going to connect. See, we got that question mark there. So now we can go to our browser. Go to 192.
In that subnet mask number, you don't need to do anything with that?
255.255.255.0. So
Okay.
3 255s and 1 0.
Okay, and you already had it programmed in there like that?
Yep.
So that's why. Okay.
So now we're going into it. Admin is the username and password.
So this is pretty much it's like opening up a port for that.
Basically, yeah. Basically making a bridge connection is what you're doing. So we go in here. We're hitting the interface of that device. So what do we want it to be, an extender or a repeater? We want it to be an extender. That's what you guys are doing. A bridge basically just shuts off those RJ45 ports, and then, a bridge shuts off the Wi-Fi broadcast and basically just activates those two ports. So if you have a printer or something like that that's having trouble connecting, this is an easy way to make that a fix. Also, it's a good way for smart TVs. If you guys are using smart TVs, create that bridge, because the antenna is usually going to be on the backside and very, very weak on TVs. This will help give you a more powerful antenna. So we'll go to range extender. We'll hit next. Now it's going to show you all the Wi-Fi networks that are available. So let's just say, for argument's sake, your customer's network is going to be the DW demo. You just go into it. It's going to ask you for the password for it. Mine is capital P. And connect. Now it's just going to go through the configuration process. If we get 2 solid green lights on this, after this it's 100%, you're done.
So we just need these 2 lights.
Pop up a solid green.
Cool. Now, I've got these Linksys routers that I picked one up at Radio Shack. It's like $100. Or it's a Wi-Fi extender. Does that doing the same thing as this is doing?
Essentially, yeah.
Okay. And on these ones, that one said rated for like 10,000 square feet, and this one, what do you know what the capabilities are?
This one, I mean, I wouldn't promise anything bigger than this room.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because your walls are going to be obstructions.
Okay.
So
Okay.
these are made for short range. If you notice, you got a bridge now.
Okay. Cool.
Or you got the repeater push.
So these are short range. So if you just have something like on the other side of the wall.
Yeah,
that
and
you need to
then
hit.
remember, this is basically jumping on the network. So the more devices of these you have on the network, the more your bandwidth is going to be pared down. Because
Okay.
just like anything, you know,
Right.
you've got a full hose of water going out.
Right.
If you've got multiple sprinklers attaching to it, then your water pressure goes down, right?
Right.
Same thing with bandwidth.
Okay.
So I'm going to reset this one for you.
Okay. We've used these like LP Link plugin, but we're not. They're not doing anything for us. We're like connecting through that, but we're not seeing any results. But those LP links, they're just they must be low power as well. I'm just wondering what the big cost difference is like with those Linksys routers. Like $100 versus these, there must be just capability. Just
Start
strength.
using these Luxel ones. This one right here, the XVW1750.
Uh huh.
The replacement unit that starts shipping on October 1,
Uh huh.
stop recording.
Oh.